Aloha, y'all. This is Dr. Mike from Animal Kingdom Pet Hospital. From now on, we'll be called AKPH. So we're all about family here at AKPH, whether it's our four-legged, two-legged, no-legged, furred, non-furred, scales, hairless, whatever. We'll see it all. We're happy to see it all and do all we can to help your pets with their livelihood. So we have this corona virus going around. It's definitely changed our lives, and hopefully temporarily, but it has changed our lives. Hence I'm wearing a mask and gloves. So we're practicing both curbside and drop-off medicine, which means you'll schedule an appointment and drop your animal off in the morning. We'll triage your animal, call you and go with what we want to do for your pet, and then do what needs to be done, and have you pick your pet up at a later time of the day. Or B, we do curbside when it works out, where you pull up, we'll take your animal in, we'll take care of your animal at that time and return your animal to you as quickly as possible. So that's what we're offering for as long as we have to do this, and we're not even sure how long that's going to be. But the main point of this video is to let you know that yes, we are still open for business. We are taking new clients. We're happy to meet people via the phone or through a mask. So please don't hesitate to come out. Don't forget your pets still need health care, whether it's normal routine stuff or annual stuff, or if they're sick or in pain. We're happy to help you with all and any of these issues with your pets. And so other than that, one of my many phrases is Ohana comes first, no one gets left behind, and that's whether it's us working here or you and your pets. So we have great love and affection for each other and for all of you out there. And so please let us know how we can help you. A couple things to wrap this up. One of my favorite Hawaiian phrases is Ua Ola Loko Ike Aloha, which means love gives life within. And I'm full of love and full of life because of all the animals and all of you people out there. Please stay safe, be smart, and come see us. Okay, skin issues.
I keep fighting voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. Every single lie that tells me I will never measure up.
PPE. Most is on already, per 10.
More than just the sum of every high and every low.
Alright. I'm not coming back through that front door.
Remind me once again just who I am.
Wagging that tail motor.
Your hair looks
Wagging
terrible.
that tail motor.
I can help you out, do like me.
You could jot down stuff for me.
That really looks
Hey
terrible.
Johnny.
Put it back on. What's on TV?
Oh, nice.
Respiration's 20.
I'm just letting you know, so when she gets here, all I gotta do is bring him up. That's just
Okay.
a flag for you, okay?
I like it, thank you.
Pink and moist, 2 seconds. Ooh, stage 3,
Oh yeah.
4-ish. Lordy. Yeah. We're just looking wild, man. How old is this beast?
5.
Wow.
TV. You're amazing.
You are too.
Eyes are beautiful.
You must be talking about his hair. That's the only thing beautiful about him.
How about my spirit, my soul? I'd rather have that than beautiful hair. But my hair's a rat's nest. What are you talking about?
Outside.
Oh, here comes the wind.
Oh!
It's a nice westerly breeze. It's a westerly breeze.
I'm breathing through.
Give me that one.
I know you want to
I
take
almost
my
got
pen.
it.
I saw that one.
Hey, Renee.
See how quickly I went to back too? Yeah. What is that?
Anyhow, while Tammy's not here, all I got to say is the music you'll hear with this video will probably be pirated and used illegally. So be warned. Also, none of us can make any money on these videos. She has signed all kinds of waivers, so apparently when she's a millionaire, we'll all still be, you know, bumming for handouts from the crazy one. And speaking of which,
So what do you think about this whole coronavirus thing?
What does anybody think about this? I'm over it. Hey, the only good thing about this is we don't have to clean rooms.
Don't be touching your face.
Like digging in her nose.
Try to keep you safe.
Find my worth in you. I find my identity. Ooh, you say I'm loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I'm strong when I think I'm weak, and you say I am held when I am falling short. When I don't belong, oh, you say I'm yours, and I believe, oh, I believe what you say of me, oh, I believe. Taking all I have and now I'm laying it at your feet. You'll have every failure, God. You'll have every victory.